Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to easily convert square meters to square feet, and vice versa, right here in Excel. Whether you're planning a renovation, buying a property, or just trying to understand measurements, this is a super handy skill to have. We'll break it down step by step so even if you're new to Excel, you'll be converting like a pro in no time. In this video, we'll cover asterisk the basic formulas for both conversions. Asterisk how to input those formulas into Excel. Asterisk and a few tricks to make the process even smoother. But before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Rome Tech for more useful tech tips and tutorials. It really helps us out. Okay, let's jump into Excel. Screen recording of Excel opens. Alright, so let's start with converting square meters to square feet. The conversion factor we need to remember is that 1 square meter is equal to approximately 10.764 square feet. Let's say in cell A1 we have a value in square meters that we want to convert. For example, let's put in 50 in cell A1. This represents 50 square meters. Now in cell B1, we'll enter our formula to convert this to square feet. Click into cell B1 and type equals A1 asterisk 10.764. This tells Excel to multiply the value in cell A1 by our conversion factor. Press Enter. And there you go. You should now see the result, which is approximately 538.2 square feet. So, 50 square meters is roughly 538.2 square feet. Now, let's look at converting from square feet back to square meters. The conversion factor here is that 1 square foot is equal to approximately 0.0929 square meters. Let's say we have a value in square feet in cell C1. Let's put 1000 there. Now in cell D1, we'll write the formula to convert this back to square meters. Click into cell D1 and type equals C1 asterisk 0.0929. This multiplies the value in cell C1, our square feet, by the conversion factor. Press Enter. The result, roughly 92.9, will appear in D1. Meaning 1000 square feet is approximately 92.9 square meters. Screen shows example of different values being changed in A1 and C1, and the results updating in B1 and D1. See how easy that is. You can now change the values in cells A1 and C1, and Excel will automatically update the converted values in B1 and D1, thanks to our formulas. Screen shows how to create a header row with labels like square meters, square feet, original, square meters, converted. To make this even easier to understand, let's add some labels. In row 1, let's add labels above each column. In A1, write square meters. In B1, write square feet. In C1, write square feet, original. And in D1, write square meters, converted. Screen shows how to copy the formula down multiple rows. And if you have a whole column of values to convert, you can easily drag the little square at the bottom right corner of cells B2 and D2 down to apply the formulas to the corresponding rows. This way, you can convert a whole list of square meters and square feet in seconds. Screen shows a visual summary of the formulas. SQ meters to SQ feet equals A1 10.764 and SQ feet to SQ meters equals C1 asterisk 0.0929 asterisk. So to recap, converting square meters to square feet in Excel is as simple as multiplying by 10.764, and converting square feet to square meters is multiplying by 0.0929. Just remember those conversion factors, and you're all set. That's it for this Rome Tech tutorial. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or other Excel topics you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.